Nature repeatedly creates complexity from comparatively simple rules. There are practical explanations. Branching can distribute resources efficiently. Waves transfer energy. Symmetry can emerge naturally from simple interactions. A tree and a river can resemble one another without sharing some mysterious hidden connection. But explaining how patterns form doesn't make the existence of consistent natural laws any less remarkable. It simply moves the question deeper. Why is nature ordered enough to produce these patterns at all?